Guru Pyari Sasangat ji, Radha Swami ji. Today we are going to talk about such a great Sant who not only devoted his entire life in the service of the Sangat but even while being the honor of the clean, he never got himself cleared as the honor of the clean. We are going to talk about Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj, the founder of Dera Vyas Sangat Ji. We will also discuss some important aspects of the life of Baba Jaimal Singh Ji. When Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj reached Agra for the first time and had the darshan of Swami Ji Maharaj, tears of joy flowed from his eyes. Then he said that now I have got the body, but I had already recognized the soul. True, the meeting of Guru and disciple first happens on the spiritual stage. It is said that Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj had told long ago that who will take over the Guru Gaddi. This responsibility is the hands of Baba Sawan Singh Ji. He never mentioned it clearly. He kept expressing his feeling through hints and gestures. In these last days, he said a mysterious sentence whose meaning is associated with the Surat Shabd. The same will be shown to help lamp of Prakash. At that time, many people did not understand its meaning, but later it became clear that its statement was meant of Baba Sawan Singh Ji Maharaj, only who further took satsang to new heights and spread the message of Prem Bhakti Naam to every home. This incident is a testimony to how deep and divine was the spiritual vision of Baba Jaiman Singh Ji Maharaj. He could not only see the present but could also go beyond time, read the lines of the future. The disciples of Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj become witness to this amazing scene many times. They saw that a bright orange of divine lights was emanating from Babaji's room. It was as if some lighting was flashing from within. When a disciple politely asked Babaji, "What kind of light is this that spread of around you?" Babaji replied with a calm smile, "This is not an ordinary light. This is the light of a Naam, the same power that awakens the soul." He had many followers who used to say that whenever they fell ill, they felt as if Babaji was standing beside them. At that very moment, an immense peace and energy would come within, and with a short time, they would become completely healthy. Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj gave up his mortal body in the year 1903. Many disciples, it was told that there was a slight smile on Babaji's lips, as if he was still impressed in sweet breath of the Shabad. He was describing the sense that true Sant do not consider death as the end. He said that his disciples, "I am not going to anywhere. Now I am descending with you." Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj never adopt the path of propagation in his life, nor did he build any grand ashram, nor did he put up flags and banner in his name. Did he proclaim his greatness from any platform? One day someone asked Babaji that you never called anyone, then how do people find you? Babaji smiled and said that those who are called by the Shabad make their own path. When true spiritual power is awakened with someone, then there is no need of any external publicity or show off. Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj or any present Sant till date never published coming to the satsang, put pressure on coming to the satsang. During the time of Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj, thousands of sangat were associated with the Babaji today. 135 have not stopped from attending the satsang. How thousands of assets were converted into lakhs and how the fire was converted into crores. No one now expect the honor. Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj was born in Lat Guman, a small village falling under Gurdaspur district of Punjab state, which is within the border of India. His father's name was Sardar Jot Singh Ji and mother's name was Bibi Daya Kaur Ji. The year of his birth is considered to be 1839, although this date has been recorded as an estimates. His full name is childhood was Jaimal Singh Ji Ahluwalia. He belonged to a farmer family who had deep faith in good from the heart, and he belonged to a Sikh family he was associated with and had a deep interest in the teachings of the Gurus since childhood. A connection towards spirituality was visible in his mind. He often used to ask himself questions related to life in his childhood, like why have been born and what it is real purpose, which used to bring out the spiritual question with him. It is said that he was deeply influenced by the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. At the age of just 5 years, he had completely embraced Japji Sahib, the divine voice of Guru Nanak Ji. His spiritual inclination and at such young age was extraordinary. He was not an ordinary boy. He had deep tribal devotion and a strong thought of God, which later made him a great son whose name is still taken with reverence. Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj Dera Vyas is now by many people today by the name of Dera Baba Jaimal Singh Ji. The desire to know God was there in the mind of Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj since childhood. He had two longings of salvation. He would often ask his parents, where is the true God and how can I find him? No one had a satisfactory answer to his question. This restlessness gradually transformed into a deep spiritual quest with him. He would ask everyone who knew him about devotion, but no one's answer could touch his heart. This continuous search finally led him his Sadguru when he was about 70 years old. Around 1856, he met Swami Shiv Dayal Singh Ji Maharaj, who was fondly called Swamiji Maharaj. At that time, Swamiji was in Agra. He used to live there, and perhaps not many people know him. So let us tell you that Radha Swami Mat was starting from Agra itself when Swamiji Maharaj, the founder of his Mat Baba Jaimal Singh Ji, saw Swamiji Maharaj for the first time. His soul immediately recognized that this is the light of which he was searching of years. Swamiji Maharaj showed him the yoga of Shurat Shabd in the practice of inner flow and light. He explained that the true path leads inwards, where in the deep tone of Shabad resonates. Swamiji Maharaj also advised him to continue fulfilling his worldly responsibility, but at the same time adopt meditation and Nam Simran in his life. In his life, Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj spent his entire life on the path of almost simplicity and truth. If we talk about his money, Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj spent many years of his life serving in the British Army. At that time, it was the army of the British, and even there, he followed the spiritual discipline as told by his guru with complete devotion. He always ate vegetarian food. He kept a distance from any kind of intoxicant or drug like tobacco, alcohol, or beer cigarette. Throughout his life, he used to participate in Bhajan Simran daily and performed his duties with the complete honesty. His discipline was respected by everyone in the army. After a year of service, he retired from the army in 1889, but this was not the end of his life, but the beginning of a new chapter. And before this, Swamiji Maharaj had left the 1878. Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj used to remain engaged in Bhajan Simran day and night. When he started talking this, Swamiji Maharaj ordered him to go to Punjab and spread the teachings of Namdan. Give I me there and awake of the soul who are thirsty of the word. Considering the order of his Guru and Supreme Baba Jaimal Singh Ji returned of Punjab in 1891. At the time, he was in search of such a palace where both sadhana and seva could be done together. When he reached the banks of the river Byas, the peace of peace, that all atmosphere and the nature of the sweet surroundings of the following water touched in heart deeply. He decided to settle there and set up a camp at the sacred palace. Byas Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj, who is now today as Dera Byas. He decided to reside there, and later on at his holy palace he laid the foundation of Dera Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj, which is today now as Dera Vyas. He started his life journey from a small cave which he had built himself, and there he started living engrossed in meditation and devotion. Gradually, people of the nearby village came to the that is Sant has come and settled, and this is desired place who is engrossed in the devotion of God day and night. Hearing his people become curious and thought of having a darshan of the sun. When people reached there, they saw that Baba Jaimal Singh Ji, disciple of Swamiji Maharaj, engrossed in deep meditation. Someone said, with a new that you live in this desert forest. I have heard that ghost and wild animal also live here. The villager told him to find a palace that was a little safer. Hearing this, Baba Jaimal Singh Ji smiled and said, don't worry, God has come. Give me the power of the name Shabad, and it is always with me. Babaji said, what seems desolate and scary to you today will become the world's largest spiritual center. No one had imagined how true Babaji's words would be today. The same palace, which was once a remote forest, has become famous as Dera Vyas, the world's largest meditation center. Babaji said, the first step to spiritual progress is that every person should be honest, earning should be honest, and should be honest, earning should be honest, and should be hak halal. Do not anyone rights, and always stay away from deceit and fraud. Serve other and much a possible selflessly is service is not just a small task about a form of devotion. In the last year of his life in 1903, Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj, now as the great master, appointed Baba Sawan Singh Ji Maharaj as his spiritual successor. Baba Sawan Singh Ji Maharaj was declared the next Sant Sadguru. At that time, his health was not good. His body was weakness and failing to cooperate. Despite his illness, he never gave up his bhajan simran, religious singing, and it is said that he remained absorbed in meditation till his last breath. The name kept on lips. In December 1903, he had merged into the lights. In that meditative state, the last rites of Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj were performed at Dera Vyas itself, and the palace where he was led to rest in reserved as scared memory. Today, not just lakhs but crore of people are following the path shown by him, not only in India but in more than 19 countries. His followers are living a life of devotion. Time changed, but the tradition remained the same. The tradition of service, truth, and dedication. Every Satguru respected the order of his Guru. So, Sangat ji, I hope you like this biography of Baba Jamal Singh Ji Maharaj. Sangat ji, I have shared with you whatever I know. If I have said anything wrong in this, I seek your forgiveness. If I have made some mistake in some English words, please forgive me. Sangat ji, I will meet you soon with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family with folded hands. Love to all of you. Radha Swami ji.